Well, up in the greenhouse, Mack's come to help me. Don't you, Mack? So I'm going to do a bit of watering. Yeah. Okay. Got some onions, spring onions. These are old seeds that I found from the other year, about 2 or 3 years back. So I thought, well, let's try them, see if they do anything. It's a bonus if they don't. We haven't lost anything. These are sweet peas. Mack's on the tomatoes. Come on. Give them a little drink. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing with these. It's just something that I decided to have a go at for the first time this year. We've had the greenhouse for many years, but haven't really done anything with it. A little refill. What are you doing, Mack? These ones I think what were they? Geraniums. These ones are geraniums. Just starting to, well, there's 1 or 2 starting to pop up. These are French beans. Well, French bean seeds. No sign of French beans yet. These are tomatoes. Another refill. There you go. And these are tomatoes down here. I think these are all tomatoes along here. Looks like one popping through. It's either a tomato or a weed. I can grow weeds quite well. As I say, I have no idea what I'm doing here, but just a bit of fun. If anything grows, it's a bonus. And a bit more. What are you up to, Mack? Oh, you're in the bin. No, you can't. Oh, you can have that. It's only a bit of paper. You don't want it now. These are more sweet peas. There we go. And under here, got a mixture of different flowers and, well, flower seeds. That's just loads of seeds we had from a few years ago. I don't suppose they do anything, but you don't know unless you try, do you? They are, what are they? Sweet William. And these ones are, what are they? Don't know. Maybe hollyhocks or something like that. As I say, just all old packets of seeds that we've had for a couple of years, but not expecting anything. Here we go. Easter Sunday, and it's scorching. There we go.